Hello friends, welcome to my HMT watches review, and today I am going to review a very special watch from HMT, and it is one of the most desired watch. And here we have the HMT Roman chronograph, and it is quite popularly known as the Roman chrono. So let's have a talk about it. So here we have the box, that is quite a strong plastic box, and inside we have the watch. So now we will take a look about the watch. So here we have it. Look how beautifully crafted this watch is. So we remove the plastic inner support and keep it aside. So here we see the Roman is a watch segment of HMT, which has very traditional and classic design, and this Roman chronograph is a chronograph in this the same Roman segment, the traditional design of body and very beautifully crafted chronograph dial inside. So if you see the dials, so we will see that there are this main dial, the big dial, the seconds chronograph, this is a small dial, the hours chronograph and the minutes chronograph. These all are here, and apart from there is the dater function. And if we look closely, HMT Roman chronograph is written here. So now we'll take a complete look of this watch, and I will explain to you every part one by one. So here if you see, you will be able to notice that this watch has three eyes, one dater function and one main dial. And as far as this Roman chronograph is concerned, it is based on Miyota 0S10 movement. This Miyota 0S10 movement is a citizen based Miyota company movement, and it is very reliable chronograph movement. With this shock protection technology, to avoid any kind of advancing or seconds retarding error if there is any kind of shock on this watch. So if we look at the back side of this watch, so here it is written SS back, water resistant, and here we have this 0S10 movement, and the model is RGGL01. So RGGL01 stands for Roman gold plated gents and leather strap, and 01 is the model number. It is made in India, as it has been mentioned here, and here is the factory code and year of manufacture. That code has been written. Here we see that the time adjustment, here the crown has been crafted with a very beautiful precision stone, and there are two buttons, button A and button B. For button A is for start and stop of the chronograph, button B is for the reset of chronograph to the zero position. And look at the strap, how beautiful it is, how beautifully crafted this strap is, which complements the beauty of this watch. And here also, just have a look. I feel this is the most beautiful chronograph, and the design of this chronograph has been conceptualized from IWC Da Vinci Moonface chronograph, because designs are quite similar. Now here is the all complete view. The lugs are also very beautifully crafted, as you can see. So about this chronograph, let me tell you that it is not as costly as the other HMT chronograph. This has costed me 4,200 minus the 30% discount given to the government officials, and this chronograph is quite handy. It is quite good. You can wear it in any occasion, in parties or in your office. Just go and get this chronograph. Though it is a very limited number made chronograph, but it can be still available at the online portal of the HMT watches, that is www.hmtwatches.in. So if you get this watch, just make sure that you take care of this watch. And about the movement, there is no complaint. This movement is easily serviceable, the Miyota 0S10 movement, and you will definitely enjoy this watch. So what I like about this watch most is that it has a white dial with blue hands, and that certain blue color is very favorite to me. So you go ahead, wait for this watch. They will be available anytime soon. So thank you for watching my review. Stay tuned. Give your reply. Give your further video improvement suggestions, and have a good day. Bye bye.